Good morning, guys. I'm sorry, today I'm just gonna make a very short video because I'm doing Mega Million. On the other hand, I'm doing Powerball. I just wanna give you all those draws, guys. Let's be proud of yesterday. Yesterday was another day. Our court made wonders and it's still gonna make wonders. The same court. I haven't changed anything on this court. If you can check, you will see what I mean. Okay, so this is what they do. You understand? We do Betway, we do UK49 on the same court. For example, yesterday I'm telling you it was another day. Okay, so I'm gonna divide the code into two there, like this, and make a cross. And I'm gonna start with 22 to 4. So this is what these guys are doing. Remember, we add 2 plus 2, we get 4. And then we say 4 plus 22, we get 26, which they split into 29. And then we're going to subtract again. 4 minus 22, we're going to get an 18. So now with an 18, because 18 has dropped definitely 2 times yesterday, so we're going to check the neighbors of 18, which is 19 and 17. And then we go again and say times 2, we get a 39, because these guys and the 36 sorry. So I'm still saying to you that today's Friday and there are some numbers that are going to repeat, and it's happened exactly the way I was explaining yesterday, that some numbers are going to repeat, and they did repeat. Okay, so we're going to go to 24. Let me just clear that so it's clear. It was 2 2 2 4. So now we're going to 24. We're going to say 2 plus 4, we get a 6. Then we say 6 minus 24, it gives us an 18. This 18 is either going to be divided by 2 to get a 9, or they will like multiply and get a 39 again. So this number is still hot. This is how you find out your hot and cold balls. If a number keeps on repeating, it means it's on hot balls. Okay, and then this 24, they're going to either divide again with 2 to get a 12, and then they divide this 12 to get a 6. That's where a 6 or a 9 might come, because already when I say 2 plus 4, it gives me a 6. So when I say 6 plus 24, it gives me a 30. That's how a 30 is going to drop from that number. And then whenever they see that the 30 is being played so much, they divide it by 2, it gives us a 15, which a 15 is also appearing there. Okay, let's not waste time, guys. And then we go to the second court. This court will work the whole week until Saturday, yes, until tomorrow, yes. Okay, so now there's 26. We say 2 plus 6, we get an 8. 8 minus 26, it gives us an 18. 8 plus 26 is going to give us, let me see, a 34. A 34 or 43. This court yesterday was making wonders. Even today, still want to make wonders. You guys will be surprised. Like, coach, what is happening with your court? I know what I'm saying. Okay, and then I'll go to 25 at the bottom here. With 25, it can drop as a whole number, the 25, or they will say 2 plus 5, it will give them a 7. 7 plus 25 is 32. That already dropped yesterday. So we're going to spin that number and check the neighbors of each, which is 33 and 31. A 31, which is also what? A 18. Okay, and then now we're going to say, because 25 is an odd number. 25, for example, is an odd number, meaning that you divide it, you're going to get a remainder. So I'm going to say 25, like 20 over 5. This is how now a split comes in a situation like this. Because now, when I say 7, that's 7. If I minus it, it's going to give me an 18. So now, you see, I'm going to have an 18 on the side. The 18 that, what? Already dropped yesterday. So I'm going to say 18 times 2, it will give me 36. If I say 36 plus 18, I don't know how much is that. That's going to be maybe above 50. Let me see. That's 40, 48. It's 54. It's 54. So if it's 50, so I'm going to spin that number and make it a 45, which can be on the bonus ball. Okay, let's just go to the last chord, which is 2, 7, 4, 1. So now I'm going to also introduce an extreme chord. I usually used to say this is an extreme chord on top of this one, because I need to share this information with you guys so you guys can understand exactly what I'm doing and what I'm saying to you. So with this last chord, because today is Friday, they're going to hit higher numbers like 47, 41, or 21 again on the other end. So this chord, I'm actually satisfied about it. It's going to work today and tomorrow. Then now I'm going to add an extreme chord. It's called an extreme chord. That chord which you guys always see, but you don't know what it does. Okay, this is an extreme chord. With this one, I don't want to lie to you. It's a damager. So this chord, it works like this. Simple chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The numbers that you know, like 1, 2, 3 up to 9. So this is what UK49 people are doing. Let me show you. Actually, they're going to delete this video, but it's fine. I'll start from 9. I'll start from 7, 8, 9. So this is what you do. We're going to multiply each by 2. So we get a 14 there. We get a 16 there. We get an 18 there. So now you check which number played yesterday. 14, 41 played, 16 played. So we multiply by 2 until we reach 49. So this is what you do. This is going to give us a 28. This is going to give us a 32. This is going to give us a 36. And then, so guys, you must expect a mixture of maybe 4 odds and 5 even numbers. Because now I can see that these numbers already have played. And when it reaches this level of 28, 32, 36, it tells me that if I keep on multiplying, I'm gonna be above 49, which is not allowed in UK. So today, just watch out for those smaller numbers. Actually, guys, you know what? You must get the books. There's so much information that you must know about gambling and UK49. Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate it.